What is Ethereum, and why is it the backbone of so many crypto innovations? In this ultimate beginner's guide for 2024, we'll explain what Ethereum is, how it works, and why it's changing the way we think about money, apps, and the internet itself. Stay tuned. Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams, your go-to channel for simplifying cryptocurrency and blockchain. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our crypto guides, tips, and updates. Today, we're diving deep into Ethereum, one of the most talked about blockchain platforms in the world. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to learn what's new in 2024, this video is for you. Let's get started. Chapter 1. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is not just another cryptocurrency. It's a decentralized blockchain platform that lets developers create smart contracts and decentralized applications. Here's a simple way to think about it. Ethereum is like the internet, but instead of being controlled by centralized companies, it's run by a global, decentralized network of computers. What makes it unique? While Bitcoin is mainly a digital currency, Ethereum takes things further by enabling programmability, meaning it can host apps, games, financial services, and much more. Chapter 2. How Ethereum works. Ethereum runs on blockchain technology, a secure, transparent digital ledger. The Ethereum blockchain is powered by its cryptocurrency called Ether, which you can think of as both a currency and fuel for the platform. What makes Ethereum revolutionary is its use of smart contracts. These are self-executing agreements where actions happen automatically when certain conditions are met. For example, when you sell an NFT, the smart contract ensures the buyer gets the NFT and you get the payment without needing a middleman. Smart contracts, combined with its decentralized nature, make Ethereum the foundation for thousands of projects in crypto, DeFi, and NFTs. Chapter 3. Ethereum in 2024. To big updates, 2024 is an exciting year for Ethereum, thanks to its ongoing transition to Ethereum 2.0. Here's what's new. 1. Proof of stake. Ethereum replaced mining with staking, making the network faster and over 99% more energy efficient. 2. Lower gas fees. Transactions are now cheaper and more scalable, thanks to updates like sharding. 3. Sustainability and speed. Ethereum can now handle more transactions without slowing down, making it ready for mass adoption. Ethereum 2.0 positions Ethereum as a leader in sustainable blockchain technology, ensuring it stays ahead of competitors like Solana, Cardano, and Polkadot. Chapter 4. Ethereum's real-world use cases. Let's talk about what you can actually do with Ethereum. Its ecosystem is massive, and here are some of the top use cases. 1. Decentralized finance. Apps like Uniswap let you trade, borrow, and lend crypto without traditional banks. 2. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Platforms like OpenSea let you create, buy, and sell digital art, collectibles, and more. 3. Gaming and metaverse. Ethereum powers games like Axie Infinity and virtual worlds like Decentraland, where you can earn crypto while playing. 4. Tokenization. Businesses use Ethereum to tokenize real-world assets like real estate or stocks. 5. Supply chain. Ethereum tracks goods transparently from origin to destination. These are just a few examples of how Ethereum is transforming industries from finance to gaming to art. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 5. Challenges and risks of Ethereum. Of course, Ethereum isn't perfect. Here are a few challenges it still faces. 1. Scalability issues. Even with Ethereum 2.0, the network can get congested during peak usage. 2. Gas fees. While better than before, fees can still rise during high demand. 3. Competition. Blockchains like Solana and Polygon offer faster and cheaper solutions for developers. But despite these challenges, Ethereum remains the most widely used blockchain, with unmatched developer support and real-world adoption. Its constant innovation makes it a strong contender for the future of decentralized technology. Chapter 6. Should you invest in Ethereum in 2024? Now, should you invest in Ethereum? While I'm not a financial advisor, Ethereum is considered a blue-chip cryptocurrency, a foundational asset in many portfolios. Why? Its massive ecosystem, continued updates, and wide adoption make it a long-term bet for many investors. But remember, the crypto market is volatile, so always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, That's everything you need to know about Ethereum in 2024. From its origins as a blockchain platform to its exciting updates with Ethereum 2.0, Ethereum continues to revolutionize industries and pave the way for the future of blockchain technology. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone interested in crypto. Also, let me know in the comments, what do you think about Ethereum's future? Are you investing in ETH, or do you use it for dApps and NFTs? I'd love to hear your thoughts.